Let me show you all of the touch gestures available on JBL Live Pro 2. So first we need to open JBL headphones app on the smartphone device that is currently connected with our earbuds. Then we can select our earbuds on the list. If you scroll down, there's the gestures and you can enter it. That way you'll be able to customize them for the left and right earbud. And to pick a specific gestures profile, you can click on this arrow and then select one for left or right one, as I said. Now let's go for the I think volume control, as this gives us for the playback and voice control. Yep, this gives us all of the gestures that we can see, and to use them, in this case, if we tap once right here on our earbud, we'll be able to play or pause any music. If we double tap, we can play next track. If we triple tap, then we'll be able to play previous track. Finally, if we tap and hold, we'll be able to call out our Google Assistant, as you can see. And there's also options to use call control. So if you're receiving call or already in the call, you can double tap to answer incoming call or hang up ongoing call. If you hold your finger on the touch panel, then you'll be able to reject incoming call or mute or unmute your microphone during a call. And that is basically everything.